We all are currently struggling with the problem of coronavirus. So to help people around, Government of India has launched an app known as Arogya Setu. It will help us be updated on each and every detail about COVID-19, and it will also give us alert if we come near an infected person or in infected area. So this is the app. First you need to select your language and then it will show you how to use this app and everything. And then you need to register it with your mobile number. It will also ask for your device location and Bluetooth to be on to track you. So allow this permission and then you need to register using your mobile number. After registering, it will ask some of your personal details like your gender, your name, your age. So answer everything. And then it is asking for our profession. I am a student, so I'll give none of the above. And then if you have traveled any country in last 30 days, then you need to give that and then submit it. Then it will ask that do you want to take self assessment for 20 seconds. I will recommend you to take this. It is very important. You need to answer this very correctly so that you will get to know how much prone you are to this disease. Answer every question about your health correctly. After taking this assessment, it will show you that whether you are safe or not. Then it will recommend you what to do and it will show all the precautions that you need to take. You can also learn more about COVID-19, what you need to do, what you need to wear and what you don't need to do. Everything is here. You can read it and learn more about this. And then you can also donate money to PM Cares. They have given all the account details over here. And you can again assess yourself. I will recommend to take assessment regularly to have no risk. Then it will give you updates on every active cases in different states of India, every deceased case and every recovered case. And it will also give you across India how many cases are confirmed, recovered and deceased. So yeah, this is the app. I will recommend you to share this app as much as you can so that everyone will be aware of this app and stay updated on each and every details. I have shared the link of this app in the description so that you do not download any fraud app. Share this app as much as you can so that everyone is alerted and safe, and we will fight this situation together. And I hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.